My name's Addison with Elvis Service Company, and I pump small grease traps. We're here at Rivertown Bistro pumping their grease trap. It's inside underneath the sink. What we have to do is to run our hose in. We get water running, that way it warms up the water in the tank and helps the grease break up a little bit easier for us in these colder months. And then what we'll do is we'll pump it down, we'll scrape the sides, we'll treat it with some chemical that we make in-house that is biodegradable. And then we'll get that pumped down, and then we'll run hot water behind it just to make sure that everything's flowing properly, and that way we know the customer's going to be happy when we're done. We're in and out in about 15 minutes. Some take us a little bit longer, some take us a little bit less. No more than 30 minutes to 45 minutes depending on size and how bad it is. We do a lot of restaurants that range from 5 gallons all the way up to 300 gallons on interior tanks. And the tanks, they come in all different shapes and sizes. No matter the size of the restaurant, we can have a solution that will fit your needs and fit your budget. Call us at 843-448-5016.